If you want to know the common materials a carpenter works with, you got to get the basics down first. So like, carpenters mostly work with wood, right? That includes all kinds like hardwoods and softwoods depending on the project. Then there's plywood, which is basically layers of wood glued together, super useful for making strong surfaces. Nails and screws are a must-have too, because you need stuff that holds everything tight and secure. Wood glue is another go-to for joints where nails or screws aren't enough or might mess up the look. Sometimes they use things like MDF or particle board for cheaper projects or parts that don't need to be super strong. Also, carpenters might work with metal brackets or hinges when building doors, cabinets, or furniture. Knowing these materials helps you understand what goes into your home projects and how to pick the right stuff. One of the biggest mistakes people make when dealing with carpentry materials is picking the wrong type of wood for their project, which can lead to warping or breaking. Fix that by asking your carpenter what wood fits your project best. Another common issue is using the wrong kind of nails or screws, like nails that are too short or screws that don't match the wood thickness. Always double check the size and type before buying. Lastly, a lot of folks forget about proper wood treatment or sealing, which can cause damage from moisture or pests. Make sure you ask about protective finishes or sealants to keep your wood looking good and lasting longer. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who know their stuff with carpentry and more. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a solid way to get work by connecting with people who really need your skills.